Welcome, my dear students. Today's our class Vocational 10 English 2 Unit 3 Lesson 1. Your instructor Merina Akhtar Khanum, Assistant Teacher Goripur Shubhol Aftab High School, Goripur Daudkandi Kumilla. Okay student, now we will read the following text. The pioneer of Bangladeshi modern art Jainul Abidin is widely acclaimed for his Bengal famine sketch. Through a series of sketches, Jainul not only documented the harsh famine of 1940 but also showed its sinister face through the skeletal figures of the people destined to die of starvation in a man-made plight. He depicted these extremely shocking pictures with human compassion. He made his own ink-burning charcoal and using cheap ordinary packing paper for sketching. He produced a series of brush and ink drawings which later became iconic images of human sufferings. Jainul developed a knack for drawing and painting when he was a high school student. After completing high school, he got admission to the Government School of Art, Calcutta. He graduated with the first position in first class in 1938. He was appointed teacher of the art school while he was still a student there. He also attended the Slade School of Arts, London in 1951 to 1952. Jainul Abidin is considered the founding father of Bangladeshi art. He was an artist of outstanding talent and earned international reputation. For his artistic and visionary qualities, he is referred to as Shilpacharya, meaning great teacher of art in Bangladesh. He was the first principal of the first art school in Dhaka in East Pakistan. He organized the Nabanno exhibition in 1969. In the exhibition, a 65-foot-long scroll portraying the rural East Pakistan in phases from abundance to poverty. This intensified the already heightened non-cooperation movement against the Pakistan regime. The exhibition was symbolic of the artist's protest and a milestone in demanding cultural and political freedom. Jainul's dynamic style of work is evident in a 30-foot-long scroll painting called Monpura, which was done to commemorate the death of hundreds and thousands of people in the devastating cyclone of 1970. He designed the pages of Constitution of Bangladesh. He founded the Folk Art Museum at Sonargaon and also Jainul Abidin Sangrohshala, a gallery of his own works in Mymensingh in 1975. The river Brahmaputra played a vital role in his paintings and was a source of inspiration all through his career. Much of his childhood was spent near the scenic beauty of the river Brahmaputra. A series of watercolors that Jainul did as his tribute to the river earned him the governor's gold medal in as all India exhibition in 1938. This was the first time when he came into spotlight, and this award gave him the confidence to create his own visual style. Jainul was born in Kishoreganj on 29 December 1914 and died on 28 May 1976. Now we will choose the best answer. A. Jainul Abidin was born in Kishoreganj on number 1. 29 December 1914. 2. 25 January 1915. 3. 20 February 1915. 4. 23 February 1916. Yes, correct answer 29 December 1914. B. Jainul Abidin is very famous for his Bengal. Number 1. Famine sketch, forest sketch, flower sketch, fame sketch. Correct answer famine sketch. C. Jainul Abidin depicted the extremely shocking pictures with animality, human compassion, cruelty, atrocity. Correct answer human compassion. D. He made his own ink by burning charcoal, fuel, stone, water. Correct answer charcoal. Now we will ask to answer. A. Why is Jainul Abidin referred to as Shilpacharya? Answer. Jainul Abidin is referred to as Shilpacharya for his artistic and visionary qualities, and for he was a great teacher of art. B. Who is considered the founding father of Bangladeshi art? Answer. Jainul Abidin is considered the founding father of Bangladeshi art. Number C. What did Jainul Abidin organize in 1969? Answer. He organized Nabanna exhibition in 1969. Number D. Who designed the pages of Constitution of Bangladesh? Jainul Abidin designed the pages of Constitution of Bangladesh. And last, E. What did he found at Sonargaon? He founded the Folk Art Museum at Sonargaon. Okay, that's it all today. Hope you have enjoyed the class. We will discuss about the rest of the rules in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe. Thank you.